The Trapom Pro is a 6-in-1 vacuum cleaner, air duster, deflation pump, flashlight, and power bank. It has a powerful motor that produces 17 kPa divided by 0.5 side pressure and 600 liters divided by min airflow max, making it ideal for cleaning dust, dirt, and debris from a variety of surfaces. It also has a built-in thermal sensor that automatically shuts off the air pump to avoid overheating. The Trapom Pro comes with 8 different nozzles, each designed for a specific cleaning task. The included nozzles are wide nozzle for general cleaning, crevice nozzle for cleaning tight spaces, dusting brush for dusting furniture and electronics, deflation nozzle for inflating and deflating balls, pool floats, etc. Pet hair nozzle for removing pet hair from furniture and carpets, mattress nozzle for cleaning mattresses and pillows, window nozzle for cleaning windows and mirrors, flashlight nozzle for providing light in dark places, sauce nozzle for sending out a sauce signal in an emergency. The Trapom Pro is also a power bank, so you can use it to charge your phone or other devices on the go. It has a built-in 2000 mAh battery that provides up to 3 hours of runtime. The Trapom Pro is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used for a variety of cleaning and maintenance tasks. It is compact and portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go.